You know, Maui has hundreds of condos and townhomes to choose from. In this video, I'm going to show you Puamana, one of the absolute best that you'll ever find in the Hawaiian Islands. West here with HawaiiRealEstate.org. If you're new to the channel, this video series that you just clicked on is the entire anatomy of the West Maui real estate market. Look at the West Mauis right there, my goodness. You could come here and spend 2 or 3 days in a real estate agent's car and have your vacation, or you could spend some time perusing these videos. If you click down below, you'll see a link to every single video, and I would just love to be a resource for you, whether you're looking to buy or sell, or even get your property managed. I'd love to be a resource for you now or down the road. Well, welcome to Puamana. Whether you're looking to purchase one of these units or possibly rent one for a short-term vacation rental, I'm here to tell you this is one of the most unique properties in all of Maui, if not in all of Hawaii. This is a 30-acre, completely gated, totally private community of townhomes that basically is right on the water and has private beach, but you have got access to one of the most pristine ocean environments. There's a surf break called pools, and the property really does have it all. On these 30 acres, you're gonna find 3 pools, tennis courts, a beautiful clubhouse. I kind of call it like Hotel California because it has like this Southern California kind of vibe to it. But truly, Puamana is one of my absolute favorite resorts. It was built in 1952, and the original family that built the property, they named it Puamana, and what that means is flower and power. But I guess it was named after a chief who was known for taking care of people in their most deepest needs, and I always knew sort of the needs of the community. So it's got a really kind of cool name that I think means a lot in Hawaiian. But in terms of the real estate, we are talking one of the most sought after properties. It is completely gated. It's right on the south end of Lahaina Town, so it's very easy to access all the things in Lahaina by foot, by bicycle, or certainly you can drive. But you also have complete privacy, so the access to this property is very closely monitored and maintained by the 24-hour security staff. And the proximity to the ocean, I think, is probably one of the most amazing things that you'll find about Puamana. If you just look at one of the swimming pools, it's kind of world famous swimming pool. It's right on the edge of the ocean. And to build something like that today, I think would be completely impossible. So the units break down like this. The property is on 30 acres. Puamana consists of 62 buildings. There are 67 one-bedroom units that range from 650 to 1,050 square feet. There are 99 two-bedroom units that range from 1,000 to 1,400 square feet, and there are 55 three-bedroom units that range from 1,450 to 2,500 square feet. And of course, there are the 9 four-bedroom units that are over 2,500 square feet. So you have a very nice diversity of sizes and price ranges to choose from. But Puamana is one of those places that, matter of fact, a friend of mine lived there, and I was so overwhelmed at the almost like the Stepford wife kind of community where it's just like, could it be more perfect than Puamana? Of all the condos and townhomes in Lahaina Town, Puamana is ranked number 2 in terms of overall value as evaluated by price per square foot. The only one that's more valuable is Pu'unoa Beach Estates, located directly on Baby Beach. Now, I wanted to mention this because this is kind of cool. Puamana, there was actually a song that was written by one of the original family members that built the property. And the song goes like this, and I encourage you to look it up and then watch it on YouTube. But it goes like this: Puamana is my home in Lahaina, with flowers so fragrant, glistening, my home is so loved. My home is surrounded by coconut trees. They stand majestically, gently in the breezes. A beautiful home nestled along the shore, with the bright moon upon the whispering sea. Told is the refrain for my beloved home, trees filled with much rustling, happiness and joy. I encourage you to check out Puamana. If you have any questions, I'd love to be a resource for you, whether you're looking to purchase or sell, or even if you need a property managed, I'd love to refer you to a great management company that can help you out. I look forward to talking to you soon. Aloha. Well, hey, mahalo so much for watching this video. I super appreciate it. If it's been of any help, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And certainly, if you need any help in the Maui real estate market, I'd love to be a resource for you. It's a very complex, changing landscape. Certainly, if you're in the mainland, having someone over here that you can rely on and trust, I'd love to be that person for you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or need a property to manage long-term or short-term, I'd love to be that person to help you on Maui. Aloha.